Greetings and salutations, it's Fiction Lover 987 here. My sister's birthday is coming up, so I decided that over the summer I will make her a set of wooden coasters based on something she likes. So I decided to do a set of Legend of Zelda coasters. This will basically just be a time-lapse video series, so I thought it'd be fun to have people, excluding my sister of course, maybe, to do the voiceovers and let them have fun. So without further ado, the first one in this series is Majora's Mask.
Greetings and salutations, it's Fiction Lover 987's friend here. And today we're making a Majora's Mask coaster. So for the materials, we're going to need a wooden square block, a pen and pencil, some Mod Lodge, or whatever you say it, what do you know how to pronounce, paintbrush, a workable fixative, and markers. We're going to start by doing 3 lines just to get the base of the face out, and start by making a heart shape. And you can see here I kind of messed mine up, but that's okay. You can just erase it, and I'm gonna fix it right here. You can see, yeah. I got the outline with the small lines, and I'm just going for the heart shape again. And I'm just gonna touch it up on the sides. Yeah, I'm trying to get this like this best heart shape I can before I start making other parts of it. But that's okay. So I'm just gonna go up on the lines right here. And then I start by putting my bottom 2 spikes on. This is going to be for the mask, like the spikes on the mask. And then I just do like some outlines for it, so I can keep it even. And so yeah, I'm trying to fix my spikes right here. And this is where you go into the cone shape for it, because it's not triangle, it's more of a 3D shape. And so you see I'm just touching it up here, and I'm trying to get it all like nice and even. And it's working out pretty well. Yeah. And then I'm gonna touch with the tips, and I'm gonna get the top 2. And you want to do a triangle first, and then add the circle underneath and make it that shape. And you see I'm making a line here and making sure it's even. And I'm just gonna get rid of those lines, extra lines, yeah. And if you notice, I'm starting to do it a little darker. It's just I'm trying to make the camera look at it more. And now you want to add those dots at the bottom, just like the bottom of the mask. And then outline them a little double lines. And now we'll go for the eyes. So I'll make 2 lines to make the eyes more symmetrical. And you can see, like I talked about earlier, about how I'm making it darker. Yeah, my guidelines are on point around that. You know, add those last 2 dots and just outline it like how it's supposed to be, like this, and then you should be fine. And now I'm just gonna go back and touch up everything to make sure it looks so nice. I start going through the coloring. I'm just outlining it here, making it look dark. Now I'm just gonna go back and touch it up right here, because I don't think it was good enough, but it all fits in though. And so I'm going to go around and ink. I'm starting with the eyes just to make sure it comes out right. And I'm just going to follow the lines I made with the pencil. It's just so I get that texture I want. I'm just going to outline the dots here, and I'm going to go around and do the rest of the eyes now with the outside, and then shade it in. I'm just trying to get those shadows to look appropriate. Now here I got a final shape, all outline stuff. And so now I'm just gonna start coloring it in. Now I'm gonna start with the red here and just be like oh, that must a bug. But go around the dots as much as possible. Like you want to shade it close to it, but there you go. Now I put the D and the L here just to get my my darker and my lighter side the way I wanted it. Hello bug. No. So for the D it's darker, it's selecting the darker side, and the lighter side would be the. And so you see how I'm going more light up here than dark on the left side. So I'm just going to outline all here with red, and then I'm going to go in a little bit darker after I have the light side, just to make it look like contrast. You don't have to do it this way, but it is how it looks supposed to look. And I'm going to go in and fill in with orange for the eyes. Bug, no, Mr. Fred. Now I'm just going to shade in the spikes with yellow. And let yellow and orange just kind of outline it a little bit. And you want to mix, but you don't want to put too much of one color in there, so just be careful of that. So I'm just going to finish up with the spikes here with the green. And see, again, I'm trying to mix it in. I don't want to use too much so it bleeds through. Like, I want it to bleed through, but I don't want to use too much so it looks weird. The right side is me testing my color, so like, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and fill the purple here, and just try to follow the lines I made. You can see my contrast here, how it's dark on the side. I'm trying to fill it in, make it look that way. The spikes, not so much, but the inside color is going to be darker. And so I'm just going to correct my lines every now. And there we go. And now I'm just going to fill in the top with the Sharpie just so it looks better. And there you go, that's the color of it. And I'm going to show in all the corners and stuff. So now I want to take that Mod Podge, and I can't pronounce it, but like just brush it on. So take your paintbrush and just brush it in one direction here. I'm trying to get the sides as well, just so it looks that the finished look. But I'm trying to get the colors to bleed, so it looks like it's kind of going down. You see with the green and the red. That's what the Mod Podge I'm using it for. Oh, the Mod Podge. What else? Mod Podge. What else called? And there you go, that's your coaster right there. So thanks all for watching, and see you next time.